Hello friends, here is our 10th participant, Miss Shrushti Anigeri. So let's watch her ideas.
Topic is Nadi Pariksha. Introduction. It is one among Ashtasthana Pariksha. Examination of Nadi is necessary to diagnose altered condition of doshas like diminished function or hyperfunction of doshas. Nadi Paryaya, Snayu, Hamsi, Dhamani, Dharani, Dhara and Tantuki. Sites of Nadi Pariksha. Physician has to examine the pulse of a patient in right hand by using right hand. Use right hand for male patient and left hand for female patients. Other sthana for Nadi Pariksha are Gulfa Nadi, Kanta Nadi, Nasa Nadi, Akshi Nadi, Karna Nadi, Jivha Nadi and Medra Nadi. Nadi Pariksha Vidhi. Physician should be seated in comfortable position and in a healthy mood, then start examining the pulse of the patient in morning hour for 1 prahara. Vaidya must hold the patient elbow gently with the left hand and feel the pulse with index, middle and ring fingers kept in close opposition near the wrist region. Examine the pulse by thrice, pressing and releasing technique and diagnose the disease. Examination of pulse shed light on involvement of Vata, Pitta or Kapha or mixing of doshas or amalgamation of 3 doshas. Contraindication for Nadi Pariksha: just after taking bath, just after taking food, after internal and external oleation therapy, during hunger, during thirst and during sleep. Physiological state of pulse. Pulse of healthy individual is steady and forceful with normal rate, rhythm, character and symmetry. Pulse in various pathological state. In Vata Prakopa, movement of Nadi resembles Jalauka and Sarpa. In Pitta Prakopa, it resembles Manduka, Kalinga and Kaka. In Kapha Prakopa, movement resembles Hamsa or Paravata. Pathological condition of Nadi in various diseases. Pulse is rapid and hot in various fevers. Pulse increases during Kama and Krodha. Pulse increases during Chinta and Bhaya. Slow and feeble pulse felt in Mandagni and Kshina Dhatu. During Sama stage, pulse will be heavy and tense. During hunger, pulse becomes unsteady. Pulse indicating poor prognosis. Displacement of Nadi from its own place and moves slowly and slowly. This indicates poor prognosis and patient will die. Feeble and cold pulsation definitely kill the patient. Normal pulse become fast suddenly signifies the death of a person within fortnight.